see boom. Yo, what's up? Dude, today I took a lot on Alpha Futures. No fucking way. Even though I was just in two micros and fucked it up. I fucked it up my Alpha Futures, so I I need another day for payout. Goddamn. I fucked it up, y'all. Why is always on the fifth day? All good. Oh shit, bro. It's my payout day. Why did I fucked it up? So I was just thinking like just a quick trade. I didn't think the short squeeze gonna be that huge on gold. So just two micros and it locked me out. Oh, just search up VPVR in indicators. Dude, I shouldn't just fucking lift the trade overnight, dude. Two micros and got locked out, bro. That's insane, right? Fuck me. What a short squeeze. Right? Holy shit. It's all good. I'm gonna try to get it back up and get a payout. Probably I'll take 500 payout. I'm gonna make another 500 and just take 500. Like, fuck this shit. So unfortunate, dude. Let's see how they open, though. And that trade was long as fuck, too, man. I woke up to 1,000 fucking loss from two micros. What a squeeze on goal. Oh, shit. I didn't think it's gonna squeeze that much. But I did say that, like, on next week, gonna go crazy. I told Ray, I told people, like, dude, like, gonna be bullish as fuck. Because in the past 2 weeks, we were just consolidating. Here, let me show you. That's been buyers really holding price. So in the past 2 weeks, we were just holding. If I turn on the weekly chart right here, you can see the past 2 weeks we're just consolidating here. That's been like, we really hold it. Because if it drop, it's gotta drop within the same week. But like this been like buyers really holding it without letting price drop. But I fucked it up. Like, I didn't know like it's gonna be that huge of a short squeeze. I'm looking to long go around here again though. Follow the trend. So like I got into micros like around right here and just go to sleep. And boom, we went up like 500 ticks. Fuck. But we already got out of this range, so keep long and go, y'all. We already got out of this range. Now we got into this bad new era, and I think it's gonna definitely go up towards here. Where's my drawing tool? So this is what I'm trying to capitalize on right here. Because we already got out of this range. It's either retrace back to here or we might retrace back to here. this little volume down here. So this the cases right now. Where we go? Two cases. Since we already got out of this range. But let's focus on NQ a little bit today because market open NQ gonna be fun. Cadillac. Alright, let me check out the news. Alright, there's CPI this Thursday. But other than that, like we don't have any news until Thursday and Friday. Any rap voters news. Damn, we have 551 subs. Give me a fucking thumbs up and a sub, bro. We need more people to tune in. Hell yeah, everyone like. Dude, I'm good, dude. I'm good, I'm good. It's just I took a loss on Alpha Ticks. What I lost with two micros. I'll make it back tomorrow. 1K down. Dude, it should be my payout. Like, I'll get like at least 800 payout. Fucked it up. It's all good. Up 600 on here. What will I have for lunch? I don't know, man. Let's see how much I can make. If I make 1,000 today, I'll go get some sticks. Some fine fucking lunch. Wake up. No, stick with fish sauce. Hell yeah, stick with fish sauce. You know. Oh. Yo, everyone help me out with a Alpha Futures account. I just need like hold on, let me check how many more people. Dude, I need 7 more people for a custom code. Help me out with the Alpha Futures account. For a custom code, I need 7 more people. 7 new users. Oh my god. Nah, you cannot create a new account. They're probably gonna ban you. Only one person per account. Market open in 10 minutes. Yeah, I know, it's fine. Let's look for new users. I need 7 more. Yeah. Dude, but they don't allow you to do monthly. You gotta buy either 6 month or a year. That's the only plan right now. I'm not gonna commit like fucking 6 months to a year. Coffee, bro. Every day, everyone asks me the same question. It's just coffee. And we got to like 100 viewers today. It doesn't look pink. What? It looks pink. It's not pink. Probably because of my PC. Look, the color of my PC makes it look pink. Shit. But it's not pink. Yeah. Open in 7 minutes. Yeah. You thought I'm drinking some pink drink? Like, Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I've been back on stream. Bro, how we only got 4 likes? Come on, we need more likes. 14 people in here. 16. Yes, at least 10. Come on now. See where goal we at. Coming down to low volume note. And keep pushing. 5 minutes until open. Oh, they're lifting pricing up. Dude, hold on. I gotta use the restroom. I'll be right back. Shit, we're a push up. This looking good. Buyers lifting upper, buyers holding. So I'm go for a long right here. Buyers holding. My stop loss just below 58. Shit. If it push below this buyers, I'm gonna get out. If it's not, then I'm still in. We can possibly go up to here. Or even here. Let's see how far we want to go. Up 60 bucks. Buyers still lifting offers. And my stop loss was just below this buyers. Not yet, dude. Alright, we're still pushing. I'm gonna go break even. Or set my stop loss just below this sellers that just got trapped. Let's see if we can push over 600 right here. WW. Go break even. Getting close to the 600 with 73 orders waiting. If we can push through, we can go squeeze up a little bit higher right here. Ugh. Smashing, smashing. Was waiting for market open, so as soon as I was taking a shit, I gotta finish it quick, you know? Let's see if we can push over 600 right here. Come on now, bro. I had to, bro. What you mean? Alright, they're still trying to lift the offers. I might add in another two. They're willing to pay higher prices. They defending this bitch. Alright, we push over right here. I'm gonna add in another two. Push over the 600 again. Let's see if we can skip over this little volume note quickly right here. Yep, buyers still lifting offers. Still holding. We got squeezed through right here. I'm in. Stop loss just below. Squeezing through. Sheesh! What a squeeze, baby! What a squeeze through. Exactly, if we push over again, we're gonna squeeze. I'm short. I'm gonna keep trawling my shit. Up 180 bucks, 200 bucks. Goes down right here, I'll take 120. So I'm still break even on my second added contracts. We got another squeeze. Woof! Baby! We're getting out of here. I'm gonna keep trailing. I'll take 170 if we go back down. Come on. Alright, 170 bucks. Quick trades. To start off the day, baby. God damn it. We skip it through this low volume note quickly. Damn it. Sending that W. I'm done with NQ right there. But let's see about gold though. I want to enter at this low volume note. But NQ seems like we're still pushing up. So maybe I will get a little bit more. Sheesh. Yep, we skipped through this little volume note, and this was my target before we fully hit it. Because I see like price was holding just right under the low volume note and don't want to reject quickly, and as soon as open we push up through, like there's a high chance we're gonna skip over the low volume note. And we had a tight stop loss too. This is like a 1 to 2.5 trade. My God. Buyer's still aggressive. Oh my God. Some of the buyers got trap absorptions right here, but let's see. I still think this is gonna keep pushing up. Absorptions at this wall. It's volume profile chart. It's visible volume profile chart. Yep, buyers still holding. Get back in. $100. Let's go for a 1-to-1. Let's get some more out of here. Come on, push over 630 and we squeeze up. A little bit more. No, I'll take 100 loss. Not a big deal. But there's selling pressure, but they couldn't push it down. So I'm still thinking like this gonna squeeze higher. As soon as we pop up this high, it's gonna squeeze up right here. This seller's gonna cover up their positions. There we go. There we go. We push over that 630. We squeezing. Let's fucking go, baby. Stop loss break even. Give me $100. Make it. Yep, we're squeezing, baby. Squeeze this short out. People trying to short right here, but they got squeezed. They got squeezed hard. Oh, some huge short order just got in. So if we some huge order just got in, so like if able to get above again, we squeeze again. Oh my God, bro. Oh my God, this short got in. Now they lost. We squeeze again to the 650. 650 is the next target. He got squeezed, baby. 650 is the next target right here, so I'm gonna just take profit at the 48. There's 61 orders waiting at the 50. That's high chance I'm winning this trade because at the 50 we have some orders and price might want to look for that. Come on, pop up to the 50. I just need the 48, but pop up for my gang to the 50 right here. That's a high chance price gonna go to the 50 now. Don't worry, it's going. If not, then I'll just take break even, but there's a high chance gonna go to the 50 right now. It's right there. And market willing to go to the 50 to fill this orders right here. The fuck? Fill me. Okay, I'm gonna just take one out to be safe. But come on. Pop up to the 50, fill those orders. I took one out. I don't like that. That we got close it and someone front run it. So I took one out. Yeah, I'm gonna let this one be my runner. Let's see how far we can run. If we pop back up right here over the 50. If we pop over the 50, we good. But market gonna try to fill this orders at the 50. If we pop over again right here, I'm gonna add in another one. If not, okay, break even. Nice. So someone front run the 50 right there, but we good. With another 50 bucks profit. Come on now. Let's check up on gold. All right, they're lifting again. I might go back in. Where's best to like enter at this little volume node right down here? Let me see how I do at the low volume node. We have 153 orders waiting at the 600 too. So let's wait for the 600. $600 is here. Those orders, they get filled. Wow. Seller is aggressive. So I have to wait a little bit here. Let's wait for the 550. Let's see how it do. Alright, I'm going in one micro. The reason why, because we just had you know, this is panic selling, and it is a stop run of the late buyers, and CBD dumped down, a lot of aggressive sellers, then suddenly they stall out, and like they stall out. That means like it was just a stop run and not a real selling pressure. And buyers here stepping in again, so I got back in with the bottom tick right there. Dude, where's the candle? I cannot see the candles. At the low volume note. It's just an entry at low volume note. What a bottom tick, right? My stop loss should be just right here. To be honest, below this sellers, the 590. So 26 bucks risk. The push back down. Just below the seller is good enough. If it push back below, then like it's gonna go lower. This is absorptions. Like huge CBD chop. You can see panic selling off. And you know, stall out. That's meant some limit buyers absorbs all of the sellers and willing to bring the market higher. So if we push back below, I don't want to be in. The fuck? Where's my candles? Alright, I'm at another one. Risking 58 bucks. Tie stop loss. Oh. Getting back to the high, I'm gonna get 200 bucks. And get up to here. That's 300 bucks. And there's a high chance we can get up to here. Let one runner. No, we see we poked below, fake out, and got back up. I shouldn't expect price to have real selling right here. Should just be a trap because buyers pretty aggressive right now. Dude, like, I can't see the candle. How I'm gonna go on 1 minute chart, dude? Trying to see price action. Look at this shit. What the fuck? Even 5 minutes now, I don't see the candles. Come on now, bro. Come on now. I guess I've got to be on a 100 tick chart. Yes. I cannot see the candles. There's the pop. So I'm just have to look at bookmap right now. And 15 minutes chart. Because 5 minutes, I can't even see the candles. Dude. Up 100 again. Let's fucking go. We up 300 for the day right here on a new account. And 666 bucks on this account. And we got a bigger push right here. Fucking shit. I cannot see the candle at all. Yeah, I have to look at the trading view now. Shish, we're pushing, y'all. Really pushing. We got him bottom tick, baby. You already know. You already know. Let's see if we can get above this value error right here. It's trying to push above this value error. Like this right here. We have 150 bucks again. Yeah, it is messed up. We're lifting hard, baby. Lifting thumb up for hard. From the buyers. You know, trading small size and still up a lot. You know, you don't trade big size. I trade big size during Asia, but like, you know, during New York, it's volatile, so small size good. We're up to 100 again. Come on now. 400 for the day, baby. What's up, man? What's up? What's up? Welcome to the stream. We got push above 650 now. You know what? I'll take one at off at 150. 150, 25. Possible. Go break even right here. Yep, we're trying to break the 650. Got one out. We have 600 for the day. Also 100 bucks unrealized profit. Up 300 for the day, I mean. It's total 400 bucks trading micros, baby. Whew! Push through that 650. Let's fucking go. Matral stop loss up. So at least I got something out of here. Damn, we're getting a squeeze soon. All of the shorts getting squeezed. Look at this short getting in and couldn't push through. They're getting squeezed. So, you know, again, with the continuation trade, you might want to get entry at the low volume note again to play continuations. Just like how I got in at this low volume note right here. You know? So I might add another one. Like, I'm gonna make a big trade right here. And just keep adding. Yep, buyer's still lifting. I'm gonna see. Alright, I'm gonna add another one right here. Stop loss break even. Trying to squeeze. Get as much out of the market. Again. At the low volume note, you know. At this low volume note. Yeah, I'm not on goal right now. I'm trying to get some out of NQ right here. Oh, 640 with a 162 contract trying to get in short. Though if we can get back above, give me another squeeze, baby. Oh, I don't know if this real contract. Oh, it is real contracts. Someone just got in with a limit sales, but like they got squeezed through right there. This doesn't look good. I mean, like when you see someone really wanted to get in the market like that with huge contract, it might not be good for your long. I'm gonna just take profit. That's mean like someone really wanna get in right there. Yep, I took profit right there. $80 profit. The fuck? Can't even see the candle on gold. Gotta go on trading view. Up 381 for the day, baby. Got some W today, baby. 100% win rate so far. First day. Yeah, now I have to just look at bookmap. Up 381 trading 2 micros. Not even like huge contract short. Let me check up on Topstep Discord. Let's see what they say. Just lost the trade because my candle were disappearing. Oh. Well, thanks, man. No, you gotta act quick at the open. Get some money from the bottom to the top. WW. Let it go. Buyers getting in again. I'm trying to do a little bit bigger contract size. Let's see. Got another squeeze. With tie stop loss. Risking $100. 620. What my stop loss? Oh my god, I cannot see the candle. I thought it was just $100 risk. Fuck, I'll just take $100 risk. Cause I cannot see the candle. I thought like I want to place my stop loss just right here, but fuck it. Let's just use 4 hours candle for now. Up $65. Gonna get another squeeze. Looking good though for another push up. in the morning. $300, baby. We good. Another squeeze to this high. Then we push. I'm looking on TradingView chart right now because I cannot see the candle. As soon as we push up this high, I'm gonna go break even right here. It's just so annoying that I cannot see the candles. Oh, at this moment I can't. So let's see. But EMA is mess up. Oh, some huge contract getting in. Not that huge, but alright, I'll take 100 loss. The fuck? Cannot see candles. So, alright, I'm gonna get in again. I need a good stop loss right here. Let's see if we can push over. Oof, what a pop. Might want to go break even soon because of that pop. Doesn't look good. I'm gonna take profit, dude. I don't like that. Like, suddenly spy up at the CBD. Like, this meant a huge buyers just got in, but like some limit sellers just on the way right there. Right, popping again. Chunt a bit right there. And we got over right here. Give me a squeeze. Ah, took another loss. Damn, we couldn't pop through a 60 right here. That's a huge wall. What's good? What's good? Yeah, like the data, like, though I couldn't really see the candles. Let's see on gold. Yeah, I really want NQ to push through this wall though. Shit, man, I cannot see the candles. Now let's be patient. Yeah, it's weird right now. I need it. Africa. It's hard to trade right now with the chart like this, but it's all good. Rolling. Here, let me do a little bit big contract size right here. Let's see. Topstep nha. Gì đi cà phê ông nội. Đang trade, đang trade. I feel like gold gonna take this 4 hour open right here because there's no bottom wick. Let's see though. But I do like go long though. I don't wanna go. I don't wanna finish. Yeah, người Việt Nam, bro. No. Let's be a bit precise right here. How's you doing? And keep pushing down. I'm gonna do a little bit of a contract size right here to end the day. I have the premium, like the global plus. All right, I'm gonna get back in. Let's see if we can push over. Shit, I got used for restroom though. Give me a squeeze over 660 right here. We good? Go break even. Come on, can we squeeze through 660? I have a little bit right here, and I might add in 5 more to have a push through right here. I'm adding 5 more, risking $100. Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna take 5 out at the high. Which is right about at 60-60. Push up above this high, I'm gonna go break even. Oh, someone got in with a huge short contract. I'm gonna have to take a loss. The fuck? Why suddenly someone just popping with a huge size right there? But if we're able to get up again, like this gonna squeeze. I'm feeling like we're about to squeeze. I'm adding 10 more. I'm gonna have a good enough stop loss right here for this to run. I'll take off 10 at the high. So if I hit stop loss right here, that's 150 down for the day, and it's still good. Up 200. Alright, push up above the high. I'm gonna go break even. Someone hopping with a huge contract, but they get absorbed, and you know, I see that buyer's really holding. That's why I added in 10 more. Oh, what a squeeze, baby! Let's go! Oh my god. Get back above that 665, baby. Woo! We're going, baby! With a tight stop loss. Come on now. Take 5 more off. Sheesh! Going to the moon, baby! With the fucking tight stop loss right there. Cause the reason why I add 10 more is there was a huge contract size getting in here. But, you know, buyers was holding, and as soon as see buyers get back above here, come back retest, see buyers holding again, that's been like, dude, this motherfucker might get squeezed. Like, it might be just a, you know, it's a trap. And I got my target at the 665. We good. Boom. 700 for the day. Lock the fuck out, baby. Bam! Come on now, bro. With 20 micros right there, man. That's some scap right there. My target was 665. I was looking for this order to get filled. Lock the fuck out. 2 accounts. $12 winning trades, 2 losing trades. Let's fucking go, y'all. That was a good pop, right, baby? Woo! Tie stop loss too. You know, that was a good reason to add in. I add in because of like some motherfuckers just put in a huge contract and price wouldn't go down. And then we have a target which is liquidity at the 660, 665 right here. As soon as we hit that, then maybe price will reverse right here. But this is why I want to take profit. 430 contract got filled, but we stall out a little bit right here. So it's gonna go down unless buyers push above that again. We got that motherfucking liquidity got filled. Good trade. Good fucking trade. Did anyone get in the long? You know, that's how you use Bookmap to capitalize on small moves in the market. Yes, sir. Then now, I don't know if it's gonna keep going up or down. I don't care, but this is my target, the liquidity at the 665, 660. Hell yeah. I don't care now. Let's go. W, Suri. Oh, seems like we're pushing back up. If we're able to push out of this value area, I'm thinking like we can go above here. Dude, but I took 1,000 loss with 2 micros overnight, bro. I shouldn't just do it, bro. I shouldn't just live it overnight with 2 micros, bro. Why did I short gold 2 micros overnight? And I think price not gonna move up 2.5%. Like, god damn it, dude. And I was up like 150 bucks too. It's just a dump. I'm dumb, being dumb. W for whoever caught this long towards 660, 665 right here. Oh, aggressive sellers stepping in after we filled that. So no more buyers stepping in. We dump. And if you want to go long again, probably down here is the best spot to go long again. You shouldn't go long right now. W trade. That was like a 1 to 2 trade right there. A 1 to 3, 1 to 2. I don't know. I was risking like 300 right here because I'm scared if 2 time I get wicked out, you know, so I move it down a little bit, risk 300 right there. So that's a 1 to 2. W. So W on 2 new XFA today with some scaps, some, you know. Send it in Discord. Let's get some payouts. Nice. W, Suri. No, I don't. I trade on Topstep and I use Bookmap just for looking for orders. 4082. Let me see. Though I'm thinking it's gonna be a little bit hard because we come back into this vanguard, we recheck, but maybe yeah. I'm still thinking it's possible, but like this is why I want to go in long goal right here. This low volume note right here. You know, so there 2 zone, looking to long goal. So it's either here, go buy higher, or go right down here, and then I'ma go for higher. It depends. I gotta see. Yeah, but I think it's possible. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Of course. They're selling pressure right now. That data provider, I gotta buy it. It's like I bought it on Bookmap website. So they provide data. It's not Topstep, you know. But you can connect Bookmap into TradeAway and other to trade. Yeah. Yeah, no problem, man. Like if you go on Bookmap, like type Bookmap data, cause you need data to see orders, right? So you gotta buy. Um, here, get the data, you know. So this is what I got. I got Global Plus, 99 bucks a month, and then like you have to buy the data on Bookmap. So here's the price for data. CME and Comex is what I got. Total 34 for each, you know. What the W button now on Alpha Futures account? What the fuck? 2 micros and that ruined the fucking account. It's supposed to be payout day. Come on now. Damn, y'all. 2 micros overnight. Took a loss. No, like in every platform, you gotta buy your own data. Like the fees you paying it just for using Bookmap, but for data, you're not paying for Bookmap. You pay for the exchange. That's the not the Bookmap. Bookmap not gonna take your money for data. It's you paying for exchange to get the data. Shush, seems like gold going down for you. Let's go. I was gonna go short gold around here too, but you know I like NQ a little bit more. Yeah, so I think it's 83, 82, whatever. 82 is possible, yeah, because I'm looking to buy this low volume note. It might come back to retest this low volume note before going up right here. Hell yeah, dude, maybe take partial or something, but I think 82 is durable right here. Yeah, let's go, bro. That's a huge W right there. Fuck, bro. Tomorrow I have to take base hit again, build it up again. Maybe I'll take $500 in payout. Like, I don't know, dude. This is tough though. Why did I take 1,000 loss? But I gotta be slow with this again. Yeah, it's so wrong right now. And then like fucking two micros, $800 already, bro. Fuck that shit. So I was just fuck. Why did I live it overnight though? Didn't think I was not thinking like go gonna have this huge of a short squeeze. Yeah, 50%. So I'm gonna try to bring my balance to 1,000 and just take 500. I don't know, but maybe not because I have 40% consistency rule, and right now my best day is $400. So I just have to do base hit again tomorrow. I'm gonna set my daily loss limit to 400. I don't know. Dude, why go doing this on my payout day? And I was being dumb to just leave it overnight, even though I know today is gonna be bullish. Motherfucker. But probably I'll look for long around here. Have a good start with Topstep accounts. Dude, like, fuck me, dude. It's my payout day for like at least $800. And I'm here being dumb. Now I gotta start all over again, like, taking base hit and bring this shit back up. Let me charge my phone. I think you gotta get your TP hit. If we get back into this venue right here. Yeah, we got back into this venue. At first touch we rechecked, but like now we get him back. This mean like, you know, sellers trying to bring it down. So I think yeah, we can get to venue or low again right here up this venue area. Maybe. It's like this is first touch, venue or low right here, right? We tap in and we recheck it quickly to the tick. This is why you use volume profile to the tick, baby. You know, to the tick. If you catch along there, it's easy money. So right here, Y's NQ recheck because we're trying to push above this venue area right here. Right? We tap into venue area, we reject it. So in order for it to push to venue area high of this venue area, we gotta consolidate in here a little bit. It's either you set the row to one tick burrows to one is fine too, you know, or you set number of burrows to 1,000, whatever is it. It's the same shit. And look, this is like fucking volume profile power. Catch it to the tick. And I changed the color right here, so like it looks kind of, you know, not too bright. You know, volume area low of this value area, right? Look, to the tick. To the fucking tick. So now look. So here we have this, right? This is two different so now this is lower time frame shit right here. So we have this value area, right? So in order for price to keep pushing down, you don't want price to get back above here. You want it to reject instantly like this. And not get above here and consolidate above here. If it does, there's a high chance you're gonna get stopped out. If it consolidate above here, 70% is gonna rotate. Volume gonna rotate back to the high. You know? So just watch out for that. Yeah, like area where like you see consolidations. It's where you wanna draw it. Like maybe right here. But this is not as clean, you know? Look. To the tick. To the fucking tick. Area consolidation. And between here is a low volume node. So like, you know, high volume node area. That's what I mean. That's why you're supposed to draw your volume profile. But you can see how you're getting respect. You know? So now in order for it to push out this low, you want price to do this. Come down to here, consolidate, and push. Because if it consolidate, volume build back inside here, 70% is going to keep pushing down. But if we check instantly like this, we're going to come back to this value. And if we consolidate in here, bam. You know? Simple concept of market auction theory. So now we're in between, you know? That's how crazy you use low volume node and you catch something to the tick. Look at this shit, bro. Or if I move it up a little bit, still to the tick. Oh, there we go, there we go. We respect that. So what? If we get back here, consolidate here a little bit, bam. We go down. Cause like this is between here is kind of low volume node, but and price don't want to spend a lot of time. You can see right here, this is a low volume node right between. You see price won't spend a lot of time. It spend time at the high volume node and high volume node, you know, and high volume node over here. It don't spend time between right here. So now, if you see consolidation here, or like it might just push down, you know? So look how price react if we touching this low volume node right here. It's gonna have a reaction first before if any other push down right here. This Spaniard low, right? Just watch. But I'm still thinking like it's gonna come down to here for me to go long. Like this low volume will come back retest real quick. Well, I'm already locked out. It's gonna consolidate in here. If I go to even lower time frame, you can see it's consolidating. Let's see though. But just watch at the low volume Vanguard low right here. There would be a reactions before further push down. Chee! You can see to the tick. To the tick. To the tick. To the fucking tick, baby. I mean, like, that's the reactions, as I say. Maybe before any other push down. To the motherfucking tick. Motherfucker, someone, if you go in 5 minis right here to the tick, then, like, you can catch, like, this is, like, $1,500 trade. 2K right by here. Goddamn. And then what? We come back to this low volume note holding, you know? We keep pushing down. But there should be reaction at low volume, at manual or lower. So if you look here of this whole move, right? Now this is manual low right here. It might come up to here, retest, keep pushing down. I don't know, but this is what's gonna happen if we come back here, consolidate inside again. Damn, it's gonna push up. That's the problem. So what I want to see is like just a quick push up, quickly recheck, and we push down again. You know, you don't want to see consolidation above here. But you can see how I say earlier it's gonna consolidate in here a little bit before push up. But look, if it recheck quickly right here, we're gonna keep pushing down. But if it's not, then we're gonna go up. But how you could catch a fucking bottom tick to the fucking tick if you have context? So what I want to see is quickly rejections right here, like that. I don't want it to pull back here, consolidate in here. If you want this to go lower. Yeah, Vanierlo should be your partial right here. Yeah, should be your partial. Because if we able to push below this low, maybe we go lower, you know. So like if we push below this low, buyers fail to defend, we're gonna go lower. This should not be your target. Vanilla low should be your first target. Cause and the other one, if we push below this low, we're gonna go lower. Make a lower low, right? It's not like we're gonna take this out. Maybe sometimes, you know, it's not like we take this out and then we reverse, you know. Vanilla low is the first target. So if I trot this whole thing out, you know, we're getting back into value. This does not look good for you. This does not looking good for you. If you are not taking profit. And I just call out a bottom tick right there. You know, as I say, I want to see like quick rejections here. But buyers getting aggressive, you can see. And we get back into value. 70% is gonna rotate back to the top right here. So I guess 70% you might get take break even right here. If you consolidate inside this volume area right here, but it seems like buyers getting really aggressive. That's mean like seller failed to push below and buyers able to push back into value, you know. 70% rotate back to the top. So your win rate right now between 30-40% if we're holding inside right here. Your win rate of winning this trade is 30-40%. Not gonna lie, I would go along. Just right at this buyers right here. I would want to catch along. Going for 1-to-1. Just right there. At this buyers. By this time already in profit. No, because like this is like visible range. So like the more data on the left, it's gonna display more. So you can see I just move it just where I can see the chart right now. And not the whole fucking chart, you know? This is visible range. So this would be my trade right now. Since we get back into value. If I still have my account. Going for a 1-to-1. Or even a 1-to-2. But 1-to-1 would be better. If you want a high win rate. %70% we're gonna rotate back up towards here. It's a bell curve right now. Of this at the Vanilla high right here, 70%. So if maybe your TP is up here, that's a 1-to-2. But usually I would just TP at the POC. This is POC right here. So maybe that's a 1-2.63, you know. So watch out, Suri. Your win rate right now on the trade is 30-40% only. Because 70% is gonna rotate you back to the top. We got back into Vanilla, we holding, you know. Right there, we caught the bottom tick right there, you know. And by this time, you might want to go break even. But full TP should hitting right now. Buyers pushing up aggressively. But going break even right now is the smartest choice. Shouldn't come back, you know? And if it come back, then like you just wait. Yeah, watch out, Suri. We got back into venue area. This is why I call out this long. You know, it should be a good win rate long right here. We're holding inside venue area. Dude, like it's not about hoping. It's about you seeing and you trade it. What I'm seeing is like we got back into venue area, which is buyers really defending below, buyers stepping below, and we holding inside venue area again. 70% is gonna rotate. Pray, yeah. You still have 30 to 40%, right? It's not like 0%. But with this trade right here, should be like at least 70% win rate with my long right now. Also, it's a 1-to-1, so maybe this trade is, yeah, 70% win rate. We're holding inside, we creating a bull flag inside venue area right here. This should be a good trade. No, it's just my drawing. It's just my drawing. If we push back above these buyers, it's gonna be good for you, sorry. Because this is what the buyers prop price up and look, they're holding. So if we're able to push below, it's good for you. But that's a high chance we're going up right now, you know. Because we got back into value. We're holding. So your chance right now is pretty slim, but just pray and hope, you know. Bam, TP hit. Call out the trade too. So I should say, sorry, your chance of winning this trade pretty slim, you know, and aggressive buyers stepping in too. I call out this trade. I locked out my account, but I call out this trade for the viewers. You know, that's a quick trade. If anyone catch that, I call it out for a 1-to-1 trade. Yeah, I call it out. I don't know if anyone caught that long, baby. It's just a beautiful long. And now, there's a high chance we're gonna go up to here. Maybe even a 1-to-2, but a 1-to-1 should be good enough. Call out the long for my boys. One mini would make you 350 bucks. Risk 350 to make 350. I don't know, anyone in Discord caught that long? With that explanations, you know? So you see we got back into value era. This is why you want to entry at the big buyers. We're holding inside, that's mean buyers supporting, you know? So I don't know if anyone caught that. The reason why I want to take profit here is because of this value era low, a previous consolidation zone right here. Look, you can just top tick this shit again. And you already make a 1-to-1 again. You gotta know where your take profit and stop loss. And this was the POC, I call it out too. You know? POC. You can see this whole thing is the POC, or like you just draw this one now and then you're low right here. But good luck, Suri. Doesn't look good for you, man. Good luck, good luck. We consolidating inside venue era. Volume rotating over. To be honest, Suri, bro, like now we are really like inside venue era again. Your win rate on this race is 20%. Like, cause we're already back inside the POC. Might just as well go to venue era high. Bam. So we're gonna go back up here. That's how you read the volume, you know, to know like what's going on in the market. Where's your entry though? 101? 101, maybe you might be safe if it recheck the value area high right here. You know, around right here. Yeah. You might be able to get, but still, it's a pretty low chance. It's gonna, you know, reverse. Because clearly, this is the context of the market. Buyers holding market. We recheck this value area. We get back above again. That's mean like buyers supporting the market. So it's, we could easily push back above here. Yeah. Hold on. Let me give assist access to post video. About that. Alright, I invited you. Hold on, let me confirm. I invited you, man. Yeah, like this trade doesn't look good for you, as I say. It shouldn't get back into value area like that, you know. Just keep pushing down, recheck quickly and push down. Yeah, bro, I'm satisfied as fuck right now, dude. I'm good. And then I'm just calling out trades for the members. Call out some good trades, you know. Yeah, I call it out for you too, sir. Like, if we get back into value area, we hold inside 70%, volume gonna rotate over, bro. Dude, but Sergio, fuck me, dude. It's my payout there and I took 1K loss. Like, I was just thinking like gold not gonna have a huge short squeeze like this huge. So I was just in two micros. And overnight we just down 1K, dude. Fuck me. What a short squeeze on goal. No, I didn't fade you, bro. I call it out you too. Like I say this is like Banyura low right here. Yo, thanks. This Banyura low, right? So if we tap in here, we I say it's a rejection. So this is Banyura. I want it to have a quick rejections and keep going down, but if we consolidate inside again, it's gonna rotate over, man. Oh shit, dude. Yeah, DC. It's all good. But I was telling my member it's gonna be bullish next week. But it's just like I didn't think I just want to get a quick payout, so I just went in with a pretty good, you know, I didn't think it's gonna squeeze that much. Dude, I didn't fade you, bro. I called it out for you. Dude, thanks, Sergio. Oh, we had low volume though. This is where I want to go for a long right here. If we hold above this Vanilla low. If we get back in here. Dude, I call it out, right, Suri? I didn't mean to pay you, but I call it out for you. I call it out. It's probability, bro. So we rejected this value error. So if we're able to hold up here, you know, I'll go for a long. If we consolidate above here. This is a good long right here on NQ. If we do a hold above though. Dude, you was in a good trade, but I call it out like, dude, like, this might not looking good for you. So if we can get back above right here, holding above, it's a good long. Above this value or low. Or we reject this value error. So now what I want to see is like we're holding above right here. If not, then we're just gonna keep dumping. Probably down towards this value or low. This is your zones right here. If this don't hold, we maybe go down here, consolidate, and get into this low volume node. And then this might be a good long. So you gotta see. But you can see how candle's getting respect. We don't want to get back into this value area. So maybe it's not a good long yet. Until we get back above here and hold above here. If we can hold above here, then I'll play it back up. If not, then like I would try to see if this vanilla low right here get hold. I'll go for a long. So this is zones right here. So make decisions based on like what's gonna happen right here. You know, but obviously like we come back up, we recheck this vanilla. So obviously if there's a high chance we're going back down towards this vanilla, possibly this vanilla low, into this low volume node. I wouldn't go long until we get above here and hold above here. So here's your zone right here, you know. 4 lines. You can see two separate, like, between it is a low volume node, you know. Price don't want to spend a lot of time. So if we recheck this, we'll go back down here quickly. And if we get back into this vanilla, I'm looking like maybe if this vanilla low hold, then I'll go for a long. So if I short, then like I would short around here, but it's too late now. And we did hit that liquidity above, and then like I got out. This is power bookmap. Fucking like just the top tick right there. Yeah, that was a W. Huge. So if it's able to hold up here, I'm look for long. Probably back up towards this low volume note. Going for 1-to-1. Or if you think price can pull up back to this value area high, into this value area, then like aim for that. But I wouldn't risk. I wouldn't just want to catch quick moves. Moves that like, you know, you have a high win rate. I don't have any eval account anymore. Currently, I have like 5 funded. I'm still waiting for funding tick to give me my fucking account, bro. They're still in reveal, bro. Or phase 2 banding. Okay, I guess it's good. Oh, I'm ready for another fucking funded. Let's go. Come on now, bro. I'm ready, y'all. Let's get it. I'm ready right here. Give me 1 second. Let me sign in. Oh, you like Trade of It? Hell yeah. What? How Topstep acts want you to make you want to gamble? I'm waiting for my account. Give me 1 second. Where's my account? It's a just type this up VRVP. What's my count? I'm still waiting, y'all. So here I'm trying to long NQ right here. But I'm still waiting for my account. Dude, like deep chart, I don't know. I feel like it's overpriced. It's just like same tools as other order flow tools with the overpriced. Pretty damn overpriced. Here, let me chat support real quick. Dude, it's gonna take up to 12 hours to 2 days. What the fuck? Ah, that sucks. What signals? Shee! I got my account. Damn, onboarding status take fucking 2 days. Fuck. Shit take long. Not yet, bro. I'm still waiting. Oh shit, I actually got the account. I think so. No, but say onboarding though. Try to log into my Creative 8. Let's see. You're still not yet, yeah. We gotta wait. You want a pass account? There's no choice right now, to be honest. Until NQ get down here. Yeah, let's just wait. Fuck, it's gonna take 48 hours for the onboarding process. What the fuck it is? The fuck? Yeah, I'm gonna wait for 462 right here if I were you. Waiting for this liquidity right here. And also it's the Vanguard low right here. If you want to catch a bottom take, maybe go right here. You know? This is what I would do. Around 462, right? Just below the low volume note right here. You know, this is 80 tick stop loss. So 2 micros, you risk 80 bucks. You play it back up towards here. Maybe. Go for 1, 2, 3. One mini, you would risk around 400 bucks. And make, you know, 1200. Let's see if it is a bottom tick. By this time you are in. Reacted right away. Should be so good long, but I don't have my account right now. Oh my god, you caught the fucking bottom take. Come on now, Suri. Did you catch it? Tell me right now. I call it out. Sorry! Did you catch the bottom tick? God damn it. You're in? By this time you are good, man. Maybe able to play it all the way back up here. Yo, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, break even right away, yeah. You know? Just instant break even. This is just how volume area work. God damn it, bro. You bottom tick that bitch. Oh my god, dude. That's why I say it's not good to trade up here yet. No problem, man. Good luck on passing the fucking account. But I don't have my account to catch that long. Come on now. Yeah, 523. Just ban your comeback retest is here. Or it could even go up to here, but I wouldn't risk it, you know? You should be able to pass your account by this point. Up here. If you go in like a good size. How much you need? But usually I would just do 1-to-1, which is like by now TB already get hit, you know? Or 1-to-2. By now TB already get hit. Dude, how many units? How much unit to pass? When add more? I don't know. Maybe it's gonna come back retest right here. Maybe this is what you want to ask. Retest as this absorptions. Yep, this is a good time to add. Retest Vanilla low, but if it push. Bro, 2Ks and you only in 1 micro. How are you gonna pass it? Dude, like it's gonna, if this hole right here is gonna go up. Look, I'm gonna take a trade on this ineligible. If this hole right here, yeah. But I think it's gonna hold. It's good to enter again. Bam. Because we come back, retest this absorptions. Should be good. And failed to push lower. 1-to-3 should hit easily right here. 1-to-3. I usually do 1-to-1, which is profit already got hit by here. You don't make 700, 900. If I go into minis. What? How you fucked up? It's still good to go long. I don't know if anyone in Discord caught that long. Bottom took that bitch. But it's a good long. Should be a good long. Yeah, but your stop loss gotta be down here though. You cannot have a tie stop loss. I don't know if anyone caught this. But if you caught it bottom tick, then like by now you should have a really tight stop loss. Which is I call it out around right here. You don't risk that much. Should go back up right here. So we got the absorptions, we got retest. Unless like we push back below here again, you know? But your stop loss gotta be down here. It cannot be tight. One, two, three trade. Or even you might be able to get 1 to 4, 1 to 5. You know, I have confluence there, low volume node. You know, we have liquidity right here. Like limit sellers trying to hold price. You know, trying the trend pretty bullish right now. You know, so easily flip back up towards here. 1, 2, 3. And don't blame on me if you take if it's a loose trade. You know, you gotta manage it. Cause if you enter right here where when I put in the trade, you should be able to take partial at the 1 to 1.5 right here. That's a lot of money. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now let me call my dentist real quick. Be right back with y'all. How we doing? We're pushing. We're pushing. Oh, I call it out too, right? Vanilla low right here, low volume, no liquidity on bookmap, holding. You know, limit buyers holding absorptions. Should leave me alone. I wish I had my funded account right there, but it should be a good trade. If anyone caught this long from down here, it's a W for you. A huge W. You know, Suri, if you caught it with two minis down here, you would be up 1K, 2K by here. 1.5K at least. You know? Yeah, 1.5K. That should be close to account pass. Take partial. But this is like a home run trade right here, 1 to 3. Usually I would just take a 1 to 1, which is already get hit by now, you know? 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 1.5. No, but like you was only in one micro, you know? But still, like one micro, like it's hard to pass the account. Gotta be like in a little bit bigger side, at least 5 micros, dude. Cause like if 5 micro, your stop loss down here, you don't risk that much, like 200 bucks. Oh, let me see how many. 90 ticks, 90 times 2.5, 200 bucks. Then buy up here, you're already up 400 bucks or 350. It's holding. That means we doing good to go back up. Still, like just slow down. If you feel like minis makes you lower count sometime, slow down. But 1 micro is too little, you know, like maybe 2, 3 micros. Because I thought you was doing minis. Minis with the trade, you're gonna pass. Definitely you do. Shit. Let me go call him again. How we doing, boys? How we doing? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Like by here, you should already take partial. It's a key zone. I wish my, I hope my people caught it. Did you caught it, assist? At least with like micro or something. Not really. Why not? Dude, that's discipline right there. Suri, are you still in? You still in though? This could go up towards here, to be honest. If we consolidate back inside here. Yes, sir. Tomorrow, new day. Oh, you out? Yeah, I think it's gonna run up right here. And hit the 123 TB right here. I wish I had my funded account, dude. Catch this ray. Thanks, Sabaka. Dude, but yesterday I was not on fire at all. Shit, bro. 2 micros take 1k loss, bro. I'd rather just take 2 minis and take the 1k loss with 2 minis. Not 2 micros. Why did I let it run overnight, baby? Oh my god, we're going up, boys. No, this your passing trade right here, Suri. You step on, you miss it. You skipped it. And I call it out. I threw it out before it go down too. One to three should be hit easily right here. It could even go up to here, but I wouldn't risk it. I'm just gonna take profit at this value area low, retest of the value area low right here. Oh yeah, take clip too. Take clip and journal at the same time, you know. You know, we moved from this is what balance error. We moved from balance error to balance error. We're trying to get out of this balance error, but we fell also under it's a low volume note. And it makes sense to go for a long. Now we trying to get back above this get inside this balance error again. So I wouldn't risk it to go on top at top of the balance error. Oh my god, we just pushing full TB hit, y'all. Dude, sorry. It's your account pass trade, sorry. If you just take 2 minis right there. What a trade. 1 to 3. So look, we're gonna have reactions right here. If we're able to consolidate inside, then we go back up here. Suri, you told me to call you a trade. I did call you a trade. I said don't trade in here. Wait until price get down here, right? And look at how we respect that shit. Fucking top tick TB. Come on now, bro. Oh my god, bro. The line I threw out is not random, bro. Motherfucking top tick TB. And if we able to get in here again, then like we're able to push above here to this vanilla high, right? Yo, call it out. And bro, Suri, dude, you told me to call it out. A fucking passing tray, a pass account tray. Call it out. But probably you were scared because I so bearish, right? Look at this shit, bro. Caught the whole fucking wick from the bottom to the top. Ah, ah, ah. No, you good, bro. I know, like, that's why I say, like, even with the good strategy, but if you are, like, you don't trust it, like, it's hard to trade, so you gotta learn it, you know? Once you understand what I'm saying, and you get, if you have belief in the strategy, then, like, you're gonna stick with the trade, you know? Call you another one, bro? Like, the move already happened, dude. I don't know. Maybe if price recheck at this value or high, you look for short. But again, like the context is bullish. All right, look, look. I'm gonna make this look magic right now. Look, this is how you gotta understand how volume profile works right here. This is value area high, right? Of this value area. But you know the chart is bullish right now, so I don't know if a short is good right now, but let's give it a try. I would want to miss. Let's see how much I would risk. Okay, let's do 100 ticks risk, which is a little bit above right here, and we go for yep, entry right here. Let's go for a 1, 2, 3 again. Let's see if this shit works. You know. But again, like the chart is bullish, so I'm not that confident to go in short. And the chart was bullish. That's why I call out this trade for you. I'm confident in this one, you know, but I'm not sure about short now because it's too late to get in long. You would want to wait for price to come back, but this is why I would want a short. First entry, 53.25. That should be a top tick entry right there. And we have some orders waiting above too. I want price to reject this value high right now. If not, then like we pull up to back up here easily. Okay, we're coming up to value high right now. You if you go in 2 minis, you would risk 1K right here for 3K. All right, let me go and just watch. Oh my god, bro. Come on, hit the top tick. Oh, why am I on micros? Yeah, cause the chart is bullish right now, so I'm not sure about this trade, but you can give it a try. I'm not confident with this trade, y'all. I was confident with this trade, but let's see. Maybe you might capitalize something right here. Because again, like we down here, we also have a huge liquidity, like a hill limit buyers. Magicians. I'm not magician, but like, look, it's just how you read volume the chart. You know, you see, I catch point where it's like reactions to the tick. But the chart is bullish right now, so I'm not sure about this trade. So good luck, y'all. I'm just trying to. Have fun. This is not my funded account. I'm already locked out on my funded account. Oh, buyer's aggressive. Sheesh. Yeah, if we're able to get back above here, it's gonna go back all the way to the top. Because we're gonna skip through this little volume node quickly if we don't recheck right here. Yeah, earlier long should be your past account long. Because again, the chart is bullish. It's hard to go for a short. And that was like, dude, like, that was like the long of the day right there. Let's see if this play out. Nice W, man. Good for whoever caught the long right here. If we get back into value right here, consolidate back inside, then we're good. But doesn't look good right now. Oh, seems like we failed to push above right here. Might get back into value. No, it's just an illegible account. I'm just having fun. Calling out trades for my viewers. But I'm already locked out. And I'm waiting on this past account to activate. But they say onboarding process is like fucking 2 hours. If not, I would cut that long. This fucking long right here, 1 to 3. I call it out. Bottom tick on stream. Like what the fuck? 2 hours for that account. Yeah, you can't trade on ineligible account. Yo, Suri, if you're still in a short, this might be good short. It got back into value era, so let's see though. Might be a 1 to 3. We're doing pretty good on funded today. 12 winning trades. Looking good. Curve. Yeah, keep practicing. Instead of buying new accounts, I'm gonna just take it slow, Shouldn't rush. Suri, are you still in the tray? Dude, I call it out again. As long as I don't get above here, we good. That's why I have my stop loss up here. Suri! Don't tell me you got out again. Come on now, Suri. Look, I caught this bottom tick on the chart. I even get in. I wish I had my funded account because it's an A+ trade. We have liquidity on the chart. It's a low volume node. It's we good. But this short is not A plus, but it still works out. You know, this is like B setup. Suri, dude, you would be up like 2K by now. No, two minis, you would be up, yeah, 1.3K. If your max drawdown was like fucking $600, and by now you should be up 1.2K. Bro, we cooking, boys. And that's how I read volume the market. Yeah. And that's I literally explained in the volume the market. Y'all understand what I was explaining, right? And the trade play out, you know? And it's not random. Look, we respect this Vanguard high. But again, like this might just be a retracement for going higher. You know, I don't know, so let's just see though. It's like the chart's still bullish, so I prefer to buy. But it's all good. I'll take the short. Hell yeah, man. Today we only catch fires. Call out and I call out on my funded too. You know? Dude. And look, I tried out, I explain it, you know? It's not random trade. It's like key zone. Like and you just gotta know your key zone. Trust your levels. So this trade with this level is a B setup, but like this trade out here is an A plus setup. Yeah, I need 7 more people. Use my code so I can get a custom code. Come on now. I need some help, brothers. So look, we got back inside, so now we're at Vanguard low, and look how the chart fucking respect what I threw out on the chart. Look at this shit. To the tick. But you just gotta play it with context, dude. Look at this shit. That was a reaction to the tick. It's not random. Price moved from balance error to balance error, right? Another 1, 2, 3 trade. Caught the top and bottom tick, I guess. God damn it. Yo, it's all good, dude. By this time, if I want to take profit, it's yeah, bro. With just one micro, like if you catch the bottom, then the top, dude, that's a lot of profit. You know, I'm just ping ponging the chart, bro. You know, literally ping ponging. We ping pong the chart. Look at the execution. You know, got in right here. Take profit right here. Got in right here. You know, I can take profit right now, but like it's just an ineligible account, so I'm just gonna let it run. But you know, as I say, the chart's still bullish, so I prefer to long at you know low volume note than like short at a low volume note like this. Because like this short is like we have this Vanguard high, right, and it is a low volume note right here. Dude, that's what. That's what. And earlier today, I was just on my funded, longing from the bottom to the top along the way, and then call out the top take like I took profit top take two around the 60 where huge liquidity at and buyers fell to push above again. Just bookmap with volume context. So by this time it should be good to go break even. And look, I don't see what's going on. Like, look, let me show y'all why it's reacted there. I tried this out. Fucking value area high. We got back into value area, but we rejected. Look at this shit. To the fucking tick. Come on now, y'all. It moved from balance area to balance area. This is a balance area, right? So we have an imbalance. We come back, retest this balance area. So if price able to get back inside right here, and look, if we get back inside, we consolidate for a little bit, retest, boom, we rotate back to value area low, you know. So let's see if we able to get back inside right here. Yeah, after this trade, I'm gonna hop off stream because I'm basically just calling out trade. I'm done with my funded and other accounts. Oh yeah, good stream. Today probably win rate probably 100%. All the trades I've call out and took them. Bottom tick, top tick. And then like earlier this morning I was showing an example of like playing continuations at low volume note. Took fucking two minis, done for the day. And we hit a liquidity. Another example, absorptions. And buyers failed to push through. We consolidate inside Vanilla again. We finally pushed down. So look, if we're able to get back into this Vanilla, consolidate in size, easily 70% we go down towards here. But seems like we recheck. Look, the line I drew out is just respect to the tick. And also it makes sense because the chart is bullish. Shorting right now is risky. But I just want to show you an example of like volume chart, how you can capitalize. I capitalize sums right here, but I don't take profit because like this is just practice account, you know? If else I would take partial at this inside this value area where I know it might not push down further. First partial here and then like, next profit target is like probably a value lower POC. Yo, probably I'll end stream right here, and I'll see y'all next time. Tired. It's been a long stream, and I'll see y'all. Alright? Till next time.